Hi, my name is Feiner Lavy and I'm the managing partner at Feiner Lavy, one of New York's leading immigration law firms. Today we are going to talk about obtaining a green card based on marriage. If you enter the United States legally and you don't have criminal records or other legal issues that may prevent you from adjusting status in the United States, this video is for you. The process of getting a green card in the United States is called adjustment of status. If you are about to file for adjustment of status in the United States, you will need to submit some legal documents along with your application, and one document which you may not have in the United States is your birth certificate. I therefore strongly recommend that you contact a family member, a friend, or your consulate in order to obtain your birth certificate as soon as possible. If you properly filed for adjustment of status, your application will be processed as follows. The first step is receipt notices. Within about 1 to 2 weeks, USCIS will send you receipt notices. This set of documents is proof that your application is properly filed and is also evidence that you are in the process of immigrating to the United States. The receipt notices contain numbers which you may use in order to check the status of your case online at the USCIS or by calling USCIS. The second step is biometric. Within approximately 4 weeks, USCIS will send you a biometric notice. This notice will direct you to appear at an application support center so that USCIS or the US government can take your fingerprints and conduct a background check on you before approving your case. Please take your passport with you or any other valid ID. Now, if you have been arrested in the past or have any reason to believe that you're not eligible for the green card, you should consult with a US immigration lawyer prior to filing your application. The third step is perhaps the most important step in this process and is the employment authorization and travel document. So basically, until your green card is approved, you have a right to apply for an employment authorization and a travel document. Within 90 days, USCIS will send you a card in the mail which grants you the right to work in the United States and apply for a social security number, as well as the right to travel outside the United States while your green card application is pending. It is important to note that if your application was properly filed, for example, it is important to note that if your application was not properly filed, for example, if it's missing some documents, USCIS will send you a request for evidence, also called RFE, before they approve the employment authorization card and the travel document. Another thing is that some employment authorization do not contain the right to travel, and in any event you should consult with an immigration lawyer before traveling. The last step is in this process is your interview with the USCIS. As of today, it takes approximately 5 to 7 months for USCIS to schedule your adjustment of status interview. At this interview, USCIS will check your marriage and your eligibility to adjust status in the United States. You must prove to the USCIS that your application is valid and that you and your spouse got married for love and not just to gain an immigration benefit. In addition, you must prove that you are eligible for adjustment of status. You may not be eligible for adjustment of status if, for example, you have criminal records that makes you inadmissible to the United States, or if you entered the United States with a crew member visa. If you're not eligible to adjust status in the United States, you should contact the US immigration lawyer to discuss other solutions or waivers which may be available for you. If USCIS approve your case, you will receive your green card in the mail within 60 days. If you want to learn more about the latest immigration news, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or call us at 212-571-9200. Have a great day and thank you for watching.